And let me go Town Hall slides. We're actually going to be demoing Touchstone today. So I want to make sure that I have this demo already. Oh, I see everyone typing in the chat. What's up, everybody? Long time no see. Yeah, what's up, Raven? You know, it's interesting when we don't do the Academy boot camps. I feel like I feel like I haven't talked to you guys in a while. Makes me sad, actually. Use. Okay. Oh, what's up, W Falcon? Good to see you here. Hey, Snowmobiles, the legendary instructor. Oh, Snowmobiles, you got a new profile. This. What is that from? Oh, I just saw we're not friends. I just sent you a friend request. If Snowmobiles, if you deny my friend request, I think we're gonna have some big problems. Kidding. Hey, BZ. Legendary BZ is here. Danton Rakaja, what's up? Hey, Bam. Kelcoin here? Hey, Kelcoin. Hello, hello. Launch stream here too? Yeah, true, let me do that. One sec. Okay, let me go ahead and launch my stream. Raven said. Let me know if you can see it all right. Hey, Kelcoin. Oh, we got Max in the house. What's up, Max? How's school and everything? I don't know if you can hear us, Max, but
Yep. What's going on?
hey, it's good to hear you.
How you doing?
Yeah, pretty good. I'm really tired, not gonna lie, but I'm happy you're here.
Yeah, it's good. I finished my internship, so now I have a little bit of time. So I saw this was going on, so I want to see how everything's going.
Nice, Max. How was the internship?
It was good. It was good. Uh, got a lot of good experience and learned a lot. So,
Awesome. Would you ever go back?
uh, yeah, they're a pretty big company. I worked for NCR.
Nice.
They, but other than that, yeah, I'd go back. It was good.
Nice. That's awesome to hear, Max. I'm so glad that you had that experience.
Thanks. Appreciated it. How
Yeah,
you been?
pretty good. Yeah, like I said, I'm pretty exhausted. I was up late last night doing these town hall slides, but I think you know, it's weird actually. Way back in the we used to do these like every 2 weeks or so. But I think we haven't done this one in like a month because I was like actually traveling. I was in France for a week.
Oh,
And that was
so
fun. But yeah, anyways, I'm good. I'm happy to be back on this grind at least.
yeah, that's awesome.
Yeah. I see Dean's here. Hey, Dean.
Hey guys.
Hey, Dean, back in the house. JT is living the dream. What's up? June. We got all these people. It's great. MPI from the Academy. Shiver. What's up? RKO. Travis. Lanford, the awesome creator of Drizzle. Happy to have you here, Lanford. And we're actually going to be doing a demo of Drizzle today. And Davon, hello, hello. All right, so I usually wait, 5 or so minutes, so I've waited that time, and yeah, might as well get started. This is also being recorded, by the way, so for anyone that wants to go back later, or if you're hearing this on YouTube right now, then yeah, this will be recorded later. All right. So, anyways, welcome to Town Hall 16. Like I was saying to Max, we used to do these every 2 weeks on the dot, but I think the summer is usually like a kind of a hectic time, so we've been like delayed a little bit on these, but it's good to be back. And I think like starting from now on, like we'll be having these at like a regular 2 week sort of interval. Um, and yeah, I think it's a good thing to sort of like recap on everything we're doing and also get all of you involved in any way that we can. Yeah, without further ado, let's get into it. So with these town halls, we separate them into 3 different sectors. The first one is education, like what are we doing on the education front, and this usually takes the form of Emerald Academy. After a while, we get into the building guild. That's like all the products and services we're doing. And then the governance guild, which is more like the administrative tasks going on in the DAO and other events that are happening and stuff like that. So let's start out with the education stuff. So this is like sort of old news for all of you that are in the academy, but the beginner Cadence Bootcamp July version is now done. Even though it seems like that was like so long ago, it actually only ended like 2 weeks ago, I think, because we like sort of went into August. But it's officially done. All the recordings are posted at the academy site. You can always view them here. In fact, if you were to go to this link, let me actually highlight that. But if you were to go to this link, you would see that all the recordings are listed here. So yeah, you can always check that out. And we still have to, if you're listening to this one and you're from the July cohort, we actually still have to do the like review of one of the contracts. So that's going to be well, I guess we missed this weekend, but it'll have to be sometime before the next one, and I'll still announce that because I want to make sure that we get like a review in of some of the more popular contracts. So yeah, to look out for that if you're from the July cohort, like MPI, I know you're here, and some of the others, that we're still going to do that, so don't worry about that. All right, cool. So that's sort of, a little bit of old news, but one of the other things I wanted to mention is that the Beginner Cadence Bootcamp is now largely available in Spanish, thanks to Crypto Chica. So I don't think Crypto Chica's here, but a massive thank you to Crypto Chica for doing that. So can we get a round of applause in the chat? It's awesome to have that. So if we actually go to the what is it? Let's go to the Emerald City DAO repo here. Go to Beginner Cadence. You can actually see that if we go to, like, for example, I don't know, chapter 4, for example, click on a random day, and there's now a readme_es file. So if you click on that, you actually see it's in Spanish now. So that is awesome to see, and thanks so much to Crypto Chica, who's actually one of the instructors in the academy, for doing that. So big thank you to Crypto Chica for doing that. All right. I also realized that this screenshot is Russian, so maybe for the sake of giving the slide justice, um, I know that who is it, Raven, that usually kills me for taking screenshots like this, but let me quickly take a little snipping tool screenshot of actual Spanish instead of Russian, and we'll copy that, put that in here, and boom, now we've done it correctly. All right, there we go. Cool. So yeah, so now the bootcamp is now available in English, Chinese, Russian, and Spanish. So if you were hesitating to take the bootcamp because of a language barrier, it's now available in these 4 languages, and of course we're going to keep working to add more languages over time. This sort of leads into our next one. Actually, you know what I want to do? I want to do this one first. This is the announcing the next Cadence Bootcamp. So the next Cadence Bootcamp is starting on September 5th. So if you really wanted to, join our Cadence Bootcamps, these are basically ways to get, start learning Cadence. You can do that on September 5th. So you'll get an introduction to the Flow blockchain and Cadence smart contract development. By the end of it, you'll have enough skills to make your own NFT contract. But sort of the point of the bootcamp is not just to have you make an NFT contract; it's to actually give you the fundamental skills necessary to be able to code your own contracts and do your own things. So if you want to sign up for that, you can go to this link, and I'm actually going to paste that in the town hall chat. If you go to that link, you can access a sign up form. And if you sign up there, you'll be able to register for the bootcamp. All you have to do is fill that out. And if you're in this Discord, which all of you, assuming you're listening to this are in the Emerald City Discord already, then you're signed up, right? And we'll announce the start of this in the Emerald Academy announcements channel. So yeah, so definitely join that if you want to get a an overview of or like if you want to learn cadence, basically. So, moving on from the Cadence Bootcamps, all of you have come to, of course, know and love our Cadence Bootcamps, but we want to allow you to take your, Cadence knowledge and build real-world dApps. And so this is going to be, this is sort of announcing like the FCL/DApp Bootcamps. So actually I think like a month or 2 ago, we actually finished writing the DApp course. So it's exactly like the beginner cadence course, except it's for dApps. And in fact, some people have actually already worked through it and are doing the quest. So again, it has the same quest structure, same everything, but it's for dApps. And so we're actually going to be doing a Dapps Bootcamp at the beginning of October. So that's really exciting. We're going to spend September doing one more Cadence Bootcamp, and then we're going to move into Dapps building at the beginning of October. And I'm still debating. I don't know if I want to gate this only to people who completed the Cadence one. I think we're going to have it open for everyone since it's like a beginner course. But yeah, so if you want to, learn about Dapps, then, at the beginning of October, we're going to be, doing a live boot camp for that. So yeah, FCL boot camps, yay! I know, Raven. Listen, I know it's so exciting. What's up, love the game? Happy to have you here as well. All right. So yeah, that's the FCL/DAP boot camps. And also one other piece of exciting news. So I don't have I can't pull up like a live page for you, but we're actually completely revamping the Emerald Academy website. So if you go to the Academy website right now, it's pretty cool and it's nice. It has the baseline stuff we needed to get up and running. But if you scroll through the home page, for example, it doesn't have descriptions of what it is. There's no central point for all education. We just kind of slap the boot camps here, and then you can access challenges at the top, but it's a little discombobulated. But what we're gonna be doing is completely revamping the site. So one thing is we're gonna be introducing a catalog. So a catalog is going to be a way for you to explore all of our boot camps, all of our written courses, user content. So for example, I was talking to, is Amethyst here? Um, I don't think so, no. But one thing that we were talking about with Amethyst, who's one of the instructors of the academy, is we want to also highlight all of your content. So if you're building tutorials, quizzes, you're writing notes as you go through our courses, we're going to put all this on the academy site to not only show people your work, but also help future participants in their in their academy endeavors, right? So yeah, and also we're going to be expanding beyond just Cadence and Dapps building, but also front end development, learning Svelte, which BZ loves, right? Learning React and all these kind of things. So yeah, that is the big update with the catalog, and there's two other updates. One is we're actually going to be bringing the Cadence Bootcamp to the website. So what this means is that right now, when you go through the course, you have to read through these readmes right on GitHub, but this isn't super user friendly for people that don't really know GitHub that well. So instead, what we're going to be doing is actually putting the boot camp on the website, so you'll be able to go through it on the website. So you can see this is one mock-up of what it's going to look like, where you can have all these questions listed here. Let me go to the slideshow. You'll be able to say what is this course? What will I know by the end? Right? You can view all these things, and then you can dive into the chapters down here, and you'll be able to submit quests from here actually. So it's going to be a lot easier. It's going to be a lot more user friendly, right, to just work through this. So that is the hope. And then one other thing that I didn't show here is, I was talking about an achievements page before, but an achievements page is going to be something where, we give floats for people that complete boot camps, right? And, those are almost like achievements, right? Or educational certificates. So what we're going to be doing is have an achievements page where you can view all of your academy achievements. So if you completed the Cadence Bootcamp, you'll have an achievement for that. If you completed the Dapps Bootcamp, you'll have an achievement for that. So we're really excited about that, and you'll be able to track all your progress and skills on that website. So it's almost like an automatic resume builder where you can show off to employers, your friends. You can put it on your resume, right? Whatever it may be, that you've completed all these things, and it's all through the blockchain, right? So, in my opinion, I think it's super cool because it's yet another use case for NFTs that's not just generative art. Um, and so I think it's a really, I don't know, I think it's an awesome way to leverage the technology, right? To be able to show an automatic resume builder in the form of Web3, educational
He's
certificates.
still talking.
All right. So, yeah, awesome. So if anyone has any questions about that, let me know. I think that's the end of the education guild. So, anyone got any questions? Oh, June's, yeah, I'll mute that. Sniper Raven, thanks. Someone in a I don't know why that was so funny to me. It's just to like picture that happening. Someone's in a wind tunnel. I see a few people are typing, so I'm gonna let them type in case they have any questions before we move on. Oh yeah, totally MPI. But MPI, if you have any questions about like education stuff, you can totally feel free to ask right now. But yeah, also like at the end of the town hall, like I pretty much just wait here. Okay, cool. All right. Oh, also, one thing I forgot to put on here, I guess. Okay, well, I totally forgot to put on here, but I just saw Pelzy here, so it reminded me. But I guess I don't know why I didn't put that on here, but the challenges. So if you go to the Emerald Academy website and click on these challenges here, these are now completely done. We had released them to the public a couple weeks ago, but they now have like video walkthroughs and like a much better formatting. So if you're looking to get some Dapp building experience, again, all this is free, right? It's all free for you to use. But if you want some like Dapp building experience, you can actually use our challenges to do that. And now we have video walkthroughs for you. So check that out. And in addition to that, the reason why I also wanted to mention this is because Pelzy and I are going to be working together on building many more challenges that are DAO related. So we're going to be teaching you how to build a multi-sign DApp, how to build a voting DApp, how to build like a sub-community DApp. So all these different things are coming to Emerald Academy Challenges. That is more than just NFTs or tokens, right? So we're really excited about that. Also, thanks so much, K-Dun, for at least popping in here. Love you too, K-Dun. See you later. Tells you with the Rockets. Oh yeah. So yeah, we're gonna be bringing more challenges to the academy. So if you've liked these challenges or you've done these before, look out for more. And if you haven't, I actually really encourage you to check out these challenges. In fact, it might be a good thing to do before even doing the Dapp course. Might be a good intro. All right, that's all the academy stuff. I see Courtside's here too. Hey, Courtside. More academy representation. And Ben Yarb. Hey, what's up? What's up? Alrighty. Building Guild. This is I guess for some people the most exciting part. Um but so, as everyone's been asking, touchstone, 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 Raven, why are you laughing at that? I swear, Raven is the most distracting person ever. I have such a short attention span. But anyways, so yeah, everyone asked about Touchstone, and I'm super, super, super excited to bring this to all of you. As I put here, we're about 1 week away from an MVP, but being a developer, it's more like 1 to 2 weeks because as a developer, you always want to get something out there, and then you want to add more features and more features, and it's like, oh my god. But anyways, we're very close. And what I mean by this is that by the next town hall, like this will be pretty much out for you, like in the version of an MVP. And so if you don't know already, Touchstone is a platform for anyone to learn about NFTs, Flow blockchain, and configure and deploy your own NFT collections without coding. And it also automatically sets up a primary sales page for you. So yeah. And yeah, let me just give you a sample preview. So I gave a sample preview during the last town hall too, but I think this is going to be nice to go through it again because we've had some updates. And also, hopefully, the demo gods are with me today. All right. So this is the home page, and also sort of I guess like sneak peek. So you see these emeralds here, like this one and this one. So look how nice they look, by the way. Isn't that like crazy? But we also we haven't really announced this yet, but we're gonna be when we release Touchstone, we're gonna release it with our own NFT collection, and it's gonna be more of these. So we're actually gonna have like our own little primary sale. Not that it's like the focal point of like what we want this launch to be, but we want it to be number one, an example of how you would deploy your own collection, and two, we thought these emeralds were so cool that we wanted to sell them. And so yeah, we're gonna be doing that, and it's gonna be some pretty cool things that come if you buy these in the primary sale. But We'll get to that at the end of the town hall. I'll explain what these might do. But yeah, take my money, sir. So yeah. Anyways, let's get into it, right? So first of all, like one cool thing is you have like this user guide. So this user guide is more like an educational thing to teach you about NFTs. So we actually have a whole page to teach you about what NFTs really are, right? This term gets thrown around a lot, but we really wanted to teach you like what exactly they are and what they mean in code. And we also have a page on what making an NFT actually means. So for all the non-technical people, like what exactly is going in behind this platform. So yeah, I think it's pretty cool, and like we even have some cadence examples. So it's good to learn a little bit about what's actually behind the scenes of all this kind of stuff. The benefits of the flow blockchain and all this. And then we have a guide to help you actually create your own collection. So that's what I'm going to walk you through right now. And hopefully, if the demo gods are with me today, I should be able to show you how easy it is to create a collection using Touchstone. So without further ado, let's get into it. Let me connect my wallet right now. I'm going to connect my Blockto wallet. Confirm. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to I'm basically going to make it a collection. Oh, can you? Oh, that's funny. You can actually see what I previously typed in. But we're going to type in okay, wait. What should our collection be? Anyone have any ideas? Anyone want to type something in the chat? Any ideas for our NFT collection? I have like random images too, but let's just see. Several people are typing. All right, we got some competition. Waz says better and yo, why are you guys still on about the Jacob NFTs? Why are you still on about that? For anyone that doesn't know, that's a inside joke in the academy. Everyone always names their NFT collections like some version of Jacob. It was initially baby Jacob, then it was infant Jacob, then it was like toddler Jacob, and now we're on to like adult Jacob. Okay, we'll name it perfect. Town Hall Touch. I like that. Town Hall Touch, all right? And the price, we're gonna put the price as like 5 flow token, right, for the collection. Now, what this does is this sets a default price for the whole collection, okay? So this means that like in the next step, we're gonna upload information for each individual NFT, but this sets a default price. So that means if you don't specify a price for an NFT, this is what it defaults to. So 5 flow token. The description is going to be who provided that? Davon gave us a nice NFT collection name, and so here it is. All right, cool. Where everything you touch turns to emerald. Exactly. Completely agree. Also, Lanford, I like that suggestion. So now I have to do a square image. What should our square image be? The Twitter logo? I don't know. I'm just clicking stuff. You can also upload a banner image if you want. Okay. I guess let me just do that. Do I have any banner images? I don't really want to show my downloads though. Do I have any like banner images? I don't think I do. Well, okay, so it's gonna look, I don't have a banner image, so I just upload the Discord logo, but it's gonna look like really stretched out. So, anyways, the website will do like ecdao.org or the Discord, Emerald City, and the Twitter, our Twitter. Okay, so it's gonna look super wonky because I don't have a banner image, but who cares? Next, all right. Um, Gotta get you a work profile to head. Yo, was. Yeah. Boy. True, was true. No, just kidding. It doesn't apply to me, but that's great. So then you have to upload your assets. Now, this is the part where this is like arguably the most complicated part. So this is where you have to upload a CSV file with all your metadata and then a folder with all your images, okay? So again, there's a whole guide on how to do this, but I'm going to sort of like briefly explain this to you. So the CSV file, this is going to be, let me upload this real quick, or let me actually find it, and then I will be able to show it to you. So token minter assets, set one, this one. Okay, so I just uploaded a file. Is there a way for me to like show you what this file looks like? Because I think that'd be really helpful to actually see it. Maybe it'll pull it up in VS Code. Oh, here we go. Can you all see this? Can I get a confirmation? that you can all see this right now, my VS code, like, or no? No one see it? Oh, you can see it? Okay, cool. So you can see this is what the CSV file looks like. So it's basically, CSV stands for comma separated values. So you specify on the first line all your attributes. So the name, description, image, thumbnail, serial, and price. And then for each of the next lines, this is for each NFT. So the first NFT has a name of Cap1. The description is gray cap with Petraman. The image is NFT cap1.png, and what this is this is the file name of the image. So in the next step, we're going to upload a folder of images, and one of the images has a file name of NFT cap1.png, right? So it's matching them between like the folders, and then it has a serial of 1 and a price of 10. So this price is going to override the 5 price that we specified in the previous step, okay? And we specify this for each NFT. So pretty cool. So that's what that is, right? Now the images folder, let me try and open that up. That one. Okay. So the images folder is literally just a folder of images, right? So for example, we have NFT cap1.png, that's getting mapped to this NFT, right? All this kind of stuff. So yeah, it's actually pretty simple if you organize it correctly. And again, there's a tutorial on how to do all this. Isn't it easier to edit such a thing in a table editor? I mean, that pretty much is what it is, Raven. Yeah, like if you want to, you can go to like Excel, and just export it as a CSV. So yeah, it's the same thing. All right. So there's all my images, and this is my metadata. And now I just have to specify my own IPFS key. Now, for the sake of this demo, I think it already like knows mine, so I'm just going to do that here. But you would simply go to nft.storage, click API keys, and create a new key. And again, it's free to use, takes about 3 minutes, so very easy to do. So if we upload to IPFS, hopefully, again, let's pray the demo gods are with us here. All right, I think we're still good, ladies and gents. I think we're still good. And the cool thing is you can actually see your contract being created for you, right? So look, this is like the contract. So this is all stuff you would have had to know if you didn't have Touchstone, right? You would have had to get a Cadence developer. They charge a lot, right? But here is your contract. Now the other cool thing is that when this is on mainnet, you're going to be allowed to require a float. So isn't that so cool? You're going to be able to use floats to basically like gate minting, right? It's not Playground, it's your. What do you mean, Raven? I crap on Playground, but I love this one. So yeah, so like for example, if you have a float, you can require that only people who have a certain float can mint your NFTs, right? And also Emerald Pass, but we haven't really talked about Emerald Pass yet. So this is yet another use case for floats, right? You can give someone like on a whitelist, right? It's all here for you, right? So again, I'm very you can see I'm very enthusiastic about this, but I think it's an amazing use case where you can use float as a whitelist and then literally automatically configure it in here, right? You can also choose if the minting starts active. If you turn this off, people won't be able to mint it right away. And the cool thing is that as the admin, you can toggle it on and off at any point. So at any point in time, you can stop people from buying your NFTs. I don't know if you would want to, but yeah. You can also download your code or go to the next step. So we're not gonna download it, but let's go to the next step. And so here is our collection, right? So it shows a demo of our collection. Thankfully, I'm a genius, right? Boy genius. So everything worked out, and I can either deploy the mainnet, but because I don't want to do that right now, and also because it doesn't work because we haven't released this yet, I'm going to deploy to testnet. So everyone, and there's an error. Oh, the demo gods. No. All right, well, let's try again. It's officially a demo. There it is. Wait, okay. Okay, I think it's because I clicked something weird, but let me go back. This is so sad. So sad. Actually, it's so sad because I really wanted that to work for all you to see. Um, let me go. Let me refresh the page really quick. Okay, we're back. We're back. All right, let me try this again. What is this? What do we call it? If I do it straight, it'll work if I just do it really quickly. What did we call this again? Avon, what was the name? Touch. I think it's because when I clicked minting is active, I hadn't configured that yet, so it broke it. I shouldn't have done that. Yeah, Town Hall Touch. Town Hall Touch. Let me type in 5 again. Woo! please work. Let me just click all these images really quick. Twitter logo, we'll click like Discord logo, I don't know why. Next. Okay, let me do our CSV again. Super quickly. And if this doesn't work, then I'll give up. But I'm just trying this again. That, IPFS key, upload, next, and deploy. It's working. Yay. Okay, so I think it's because when I clicked on mint active, I haven't configured that in code yet, so it broke it. It misconfigured something, but hopefully this will be fine. So let's see. It's deploying the contract now. All right, it worked. And so this step is where we actually upload the NFTs to the contract, right? So again, this is yet another really complicated step in Flow blockchain development because the NFTs actually have to live inside the contract. But again, we solve this for you. So you can actually go ahead, upload your NFTs into the contract in batches of like 500. So if you have like 10,000 NFTs, this will be kind of annoying, but it's still better than having to do this manually where you'd have to set up your own backend, so many complicated different things that would be involved in this. But yeah, so here we go. Let's see if this uploads correctly. Demo gods. All right, and looks like it worked. And so now it says, thank you. Thanks for uploading your collection. Also, do we like dark or light theme better? Thoughts? What are the thoughts here? Dark. People like dark mode? Dark. All right. Looks like we got a bunch of developers in the chat. Yep. All right. We got a bunch of developers. I know Dean likes dark. Dean loves dark mode. Oh, I mean, literally every single person said dark. All right. Let me just go ahead and piss off Waz really quick. All right, now we're back. PC and Courtside, like I pictured Waz in like a dungeon right now. Okay, so now that we're done, we can either go ahead and create a new collection, or if they're with us today, we can click this and look at that. Your NFT collection is already available on a marketplace, basically. So yeah. So look at the Discord's eyes. Look at that. This is the Discord logo's eyes. But it generates the whole collection for you, right? So here we go. And the cool part about this, by the way, was remember how we specified a specific price for the first NFT, the second NFT, and the third NFT, right? 10, 5, and 1. Well, if you go here, right, 10, 5, and 1, it configured them specifically. But for the last one, it defaulted to the default price. So all the complicated stuff is handled for you. And now people, you could send people this link and you could go ahead and buy it. And if you click buy, I think it should come up, right? Okay, here we go. So you can actually buy it right here, or if you want to, you can click on the NFT and you get like a whole page, right? So made with Touchstone, the name of it, the price, description, metadata, right? So you can see all this stuff just like OpenSea, and yeah, some good stuff. Now, the reason we haven't launched this to the public yet is simply because we're currently developing something called an admin dashboard. So the admin dashboard is going to allow you to see a bunch of different statistics, like the current profits you've made, how many have sold. You can even download a list of people that bought your NFTs, so you can airdrop them things for participating. So a lot of the things that aren't available with OpenSea, we're making available for you, right, as the creator, to be able to see who's interacting with your collections and access all the necessary stats you need. So analytics, yeah. And also, the dashboard is going to allow you to add and remove collections, so you have a better understanding of like what you own. All right, so yeah, that's Touchstone. Heck yeah, Boaz. Round of applause for what Boaz just said in the chat. I mean, I couldn't have said it better myself. Honestly, couldn't have said it better myself. And then here comes Andrea, just when things were getting good in the world. Just kidding. Hey, Andrea.
What's up? What's up?
How's your Sunday going, Andre?
It's all good, Jack.
Oh my God. Um. All right, yeah. So that's Touchstone. If you guys start calling me Jack, you have to start calling him Andre. The only way we can do this. How about at a free mint mode, collection creator can reveal NFT? Oh, collection can reveal. Oh, so Lanford, you're saying an option where it's like one button, you click buy, and it gives you like a random one? Yeah, we could add that. I think we could add that. Yeah, that's a good idea. All right, cool. So sorry, I don't know if I took too long on that demo, but we still have a whole slides to get through. So yes, you did. Yep, sorry. All right, so float challenges. Okay, so moving on. So you know how NBA Top Shot, there are challenges where you have to own specific moments to complete a challenge and get rewards? Well, we will be introducing that to float. So as you can see from these screenshots, we're coming out with float challenges, right? So you have to own specific floats in order to get rewards. So again, yet another use case for floats. Somehow we manage to make insane use cases. But you can see over here, right, like this is one example, and we're still modifying the UI and the wording and all that kind of stuff, but this is the idea where, these are the events you have to have in order to get the rewards. And down here, you can actually see the rewards, right? So collect 11 floats to get 100 points, collect a specific float to get 100 points, collect all the floats to get 100 points, and you can use these points to redeem like rewards. So for example, you can get float token, you can get an NFT membership badge, so it's basically like collect floats to earn stuff. And any this is anyone can really set up a challenge, but we'll also be running challenges in order to like incentivize collection. New guild leader names: Jack, Andre, you're Dan. I like that. Support squirrel. I don't know why that's so funny to me, but the support squirrel is great. Uh Please change it. That's so funny. I'm so in favor of that. It's insane. So yeah, anyone have any questions about float challenges? Yeah, Dean, as you know, any distractions, I immediately lose focus. And like Andrea said, huge shout out to BT Wood. Actually, what we're planning on doing is like when the float challenges get released, we're gonna have BT Wood, if Bohau is down, to actually like come on and talk about like all these changes, because this is, it's entirely done by BT Wood. Like no one else can take credit for this except BT Wood. Massive contribution. And so thankful for that. So hopefully we'll be able to have BT Wood, describing all this hard work to all of you, at some point. So awesome. All right. Can we get some BT Wood love in the chat? Thanks, guys. Thanks for all the love for BT Wood. Yeah, and exactly, and they can, and yeah, Bohao also contributed to the Chinese Emerald Academy resources as well. So seriously, massive thanks to BT Wood. Okay, so that's float challenges. Next one, float voting. Woohoo! Wow, I feel like it's all float stuff today. I love it. So thanks to the Cast platform, so Cast.fyi, this is like the voting platform that Dapper Collectives built. You'll be able to vote using float holdings, which is super cool. So we were able to, like we talked to the Dapper Collectives team. They actually, had this idea, which is awesome. And they basically are integrating floats directly into the platform so that you can vote with floats, which I think is just so cool. So what that means is if you set up a vote, in your community, people can vote based on their holdings of a particular float, of how many floats they have, right? That kind of thing. So at Thursday, September 25th at 3 p.m. EST, we're going to have a demo in the Emerald City Discord. So let me actually go ahead and get the link for that. Okay, so let me paste this in the chat. So yeah, so if you're interested in that, click the little interested icon, and that way you get notified when we demo this. All right. So pretty cool stuff. Thanks, collectives, and talk soon. Next one, Drizzle. Woo! So exciting. And for Drizzle, can we get some love for Lanford? So at Lanford and put a heart for Lanford. This is all thanks to Lanford, which is just super cool, right? And such an awesome platform. So Drizzle is a tool that allows you to very easily airdrop and raffle NFTs and tokens. You can even set specific requirements to join an airdrop, like owning a specific float. So what I'm going to do right now is really quickly, can everyone go ahead and claim this float? So this is the town hall float for today. So again, I'll say that again. This is the float for today. So if you're here, claim it now. You can't say that I didn't say this already. All right. And the password is townhall16. All right, just like I'm showing on my screen, all lowercase, all one word, townhall16. So the reason we're doing this is because I'm gonna set up a Drizzle drop for all of you that have this this float. Very minor one, but it'll show you how to do it. Again, the password is townhall16. I put that in the chat. All right, did I get the first one? I didn't. Wow, punch. I'm gonna take a wild guess here and say it was BZ again. Sneak. Yep. What do you know? It's BZ. I swear he is an algorithm. No one knows how he does it. White Falcon also beat me. Wow. How many people we got in here? Like 30? 18 have been minted. All right. So when this gets to like 30, I'm gonna turn this off. So again, note, this is turning off in 5 minutes. So if you're here and you're one person last time told me, sorry, I was out smoking. So if you are here, you have to do it now. I'm closing this in 5 minutes. Another alert. Oh, you exit shit. Andre with the beef. Oh yeah, I know. That is so true, actually. Oh my god, that is so true. Yeah, when BC's yeah, when BC's around, it's all ruined. Dan, have you claimed yours yet? Dan claimed his yet. How about support squirrel? It's even here. I asked for more Next.js and less Svelte. BC's so annoying.
Can we ban BZ from Emerald City?
I would love to, honestly. I would like nothing more. At least from the surveys.
Or
Yeah.
even better, we make him, like, if he wants to stay in Emerald City, he can only use Svelte from now on.
Yeah, yeah, I love that. If there's even an inkling of Next.js now, we got a wind tunnel. Someone was battling a wind tunnel. Okay, so there we go. So all right, so the drop is now closed. If you don't have it, you don't have it. You can turn it off now. Okay, it's turning off. Okay, so it's good. Everyone's got it, right? Everyone's got it. Everyone's got it, right? We're all good. I'm still getting it. Oh no, Pearl. Oh no, I clicked approve. Oh, Pearl. Wait. Okay, here we go. All right, let's all leverage some Emerald technologies, right? Slash identify Pearl. Boom. Lock to address, right? Now I'm going to distribute it manually. Wow, that's some technology. I got you, Pearl. That's some hacker shit. You signed up for it, Pearl. You signed up for it. Get hacked. Oh, Blaz, you're right, actually. True. All right. Here we go. All right, we're also gonna leverage some Blaz technology. Ready? You right click. Wait, what is it? Oh no, you click. Wait, what is it? Oh no, it's their name. It's their name. You right click. Wait, where's apps? Am I bugging? It's always there. Why is it not there this time? Click their pick, maybe? This is so weird. Okay, it's always here usually. Wait, maybe it's because we're in like a weird channel? Let me go to a different channel. Ah, that's why. It's because, so look, usually you would be able to right click apps and identify user. Boom, right there. But I think it's because we're in like a weird channel. Anyways, here we go. Love the game. Ah, there was an error. Sorry, Pearl, you're doomed. Wait, Pearl, is it because you haven't set up a collection yet? I actually, sorry, I'm taking too long, guys. I can't. I get so distracted. Um, sorry, guys. I gotta move on. I'm so sorry. If you didn't get in, I'm so sorry. Okay, so Drizzle, right? So here's the app. Here's Lanford's wonderful creation. So let's go ahead and connect our wallet, Blockdo, and get in, right? And so what we want to do today is, well, we could do an NFT raffle. Let's take a look at this really quick. We could do a banner, a name, a description, a link, right? Number of winners, and we could do registration. Like we could gate it based on floats, and then click an NFT to raffle away. And one of the really cool things, by the way, with this, I guess we got another error. Maybe it's my fault. I'm sorry. It must be my fault, guys. With the NFT raffle, here, you know what? Okay. All right, Pearl and love the game. I just resumed the claiming, so try and claim it again. But with the NFTs, what's really cool is you can actually give away gifts, right? Isn't this so cool? So you can go on the gift platform, right? gift.ecdow.org. You can make your own gift and then give it to someone else, like in an airdrop. So love that. Super cool, right? Again, more composable like tools. Love that. But what we're gonna do today is we're gonna do a drop. So we're gonna do like a fungible token drop. So if we click drop, let's choose a banner. I don't have a banner, so I'm just gonna do the EC logo. All right, so it looks like that. Who cares? And the drop name is going to be Town Hall 16 drop. Okay. And the description is going to be, this is a flow token drop for everyone who attended Town Hall 16 in Emerald City. Okay. The official link is just, let's do our Discord that we're currently in. Time limit. We can specify a time limit if we want. So the start time we'll do right now. But the ending time we'll do in like an hour or something. I don't know. So we'll do it like an hour. I love that. And the eligibility, we're going to do a float. So you can only join this drop if you have a certain float, okay? So let's select the token to add to the drop. We're going to add some float token. That shouldn't be shown. Anyways, so amount, identical amount. So we're going to do an identical amount. Let's see the capacity. We're going to give this to, what should we do? Like 100 people. And the amount per entry is going to be like 0. What would that, what's the math there? Okay, screw you guys. I don't care that much about all of you. No, this should be, how about like 30 people, I'd say. Okay, yeah. What is 30 times 0.05? Someone help. Anyways, it doesn't really matter. I don't really care about all of you that much. Then the float event. So enter the URL of the float event. All right, let's do that. So if we go to the float event here, 1.5, perfect, Snobios, thank you. Let's go here. Okay, so now we're gonna pause the claim now. Maybe not. Okay, so we're gonna take the link and paste it in here. And if you click sync, boom! Look how cool that is, right? All right, can we get some more love for Lamford in the chat? Look how easy that is. Claps all around. I mean, Lanford, that's so cool. So cool. GOAT, right? So awesome. So if we do this, we should be able to click preview. Oh, drop ended? Oh, because of the start time. Yep, so that's my fault. So let's make the start time actually 53, maybe? Click preview. Oh, maybe it's because, let me see why. Maybe I turn off time limit, because I mean, we don't really need one, right? I wonder what's, wonder what I did wrong. No, that's okay, Lanford. This is so cool. And listen, I know better than anyone else that there's always something that gets you when you're doing a demo, right? I mean, when I was doing this with Touchstone, it barely even worked. I was scraping by. So no worries at all. It's totally okay. Yeah, I think it's a good idea. I'll do this super quickly for all of you. So EC main logo, town hall number 16 drop. Um, all right, I don't know what I just typed. Emerald City, right? We're going to do float again. The token's going to be float token, identical amount. What did I do? 30 people, 0.05. All right. And for the URL, we're going to do this one, right? Boom. Sync. Ah, Raven, for you. Preview. Yay, it worked. So look at how cool, look at how awesome this is, right? Preview. It previews it. Town Hall 16 drop. It's float restricted. Identical, right? We're giving away flow. This is the description. Again, I don't know who typed that. Definitely wasn't me. You're eligible for 42 flow. Wait, how much? Wait, did I do 42 flow? Wait, so I didn't I didn't actually do 42 flow, right? Just to confirm. Okay. It's demo data. Okay, good. I was gonna say. Wait, are you guys tricking me? What if it actually is 42 flow and you just want me to say that? I think you guys just want me to say that. You guys are sick in the head. All right, whatever. Oh, here we go. Okay, there we go. Nice. So if I go ahead and create this, I mean, look, this is so nice, by the way. All right, I'm creating it. I'm approving it. Yeah, even as a QR. This is way better than I could have ever done. You kidding? Way better. You guys are actually sick in the head if it's 42 flow. Manford was. Isn't it so awesome? He did it all. The one-man army. Yeah, so cool. So awesome. Oh, and by the way, if you guys have any questions, you can always ask in the Drizzle channel. Right? Always ask in the Drizzle channel if you need help. Okay, so the drop was created successfully. You can share it, or we can go to the drop. And here we go. So what do I do? Just send this to all of you? Okay, so all you little rats. Here, go here. I'm claiming. Approve. Also, look at this. You can manage it. You can pause it, end it, or delete it. I mean, I'm just going to go ahead and admit it. Lanford's better than me. I think it's the first time I've ever said that. Hooray, I claimed successfully 0.05 flow. I'm honestly, Boaz, I'm not feeling okay. Oh, you put in your Dapper Wallet? Oh no! Courtside! Okay, for everyone that's sad about Dapper Wallet, just know it's completely Dapper's fault. Because they are so annoying. So the problem with Dapper Wallet is that they have to verify every single transaction. And the issue with that is with platforms like Drizzle or with Gift, right? Gift also does like this too, is we auto-generate transactions. What this means is we generate new transaction code for every single like use case. And the problem with that is that Dapper Wallet can't verify that, right? Because it has to verify every single one. So we can't use Dapper Wallet, right? And probably never will be able to. And that's their fault. So, by the way, I guess if you still want to participate, you could claim it again in your Blockto wallet, right? You could always do that. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and pause the claiming now because I don't want people. So look at that. Even in live time, drop balance is going down. Manfred, I wonder how are you here, I'll type it in case you want to translate it. But how are you doing live updating of the balance? Is this like events? Are you listening to events? That's what I think is happening. Ah, I see. I see. Nice, Lamford. Love that. So dope, right? So dope. Also, I see BT Wood is here. Thank you so much, BT Wood. Hey, BT Wood. All right, everyone. We need to give BT Wood some love again for the float challenges. Woohoo! Got to give some love. BT, 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 BT. All right, so I've had a lot of fun with this. Okay, all right, moving on. So as if that wasn't enough, right? I mean, listen, here at Emerald City, we do a lot of things, right? As you can see, we do a lot of things, but we're not done yet. And now we're talking about project. Actually, yeah, I don't. Dan, for some reason, I actually like Project Toucans. What do you think, Dan? All right. So toucans. Also, I'm very aware of the time, so I'm gonna speed this one up. But toucans, right? So as you all know, or maybe you don't know, but toucans is a simple, fast, and convenient token generator for fungible tokens, right? So it's basically like Touchstone, but for DAOs and fungible tokens. So you can create your own DAO without knowing any smart contract programming, or create your own just fungible token without knowing any programming, right? Um, so it requires no programming, allows the token creator to set custom token name, all that stuff, and the creator has 100% ownership, right? Now, this is currently in development, right? So it's not like Touchstone. We can't show you like a live preview, but I do want to show you some images, right? So you can, let's just see some images here. Move this out of the way. So here's one, right? So you can create your own project with your own, DAO details, your tokenomics, your funding, and you can create your own DAO, right? This is like one little wireframe. Here's another one, right? Here you go. You put in some DAO details, like what you want your DAO to be called, the token name, the description of the DAO, the website, the logo, right? Here's another one. Here we go. This is for tokenomics, like your token issuance, your reserve rate, all this fun stuff. So this is all again in the works, and we're really excited to have this, under development for all of you. And the other good news that this is under development by the same people that did Touchstone. And well, if you didn't already see Touchstone earlier in this thing, they did an insanely good job with this. So you can imagine that they're going to do an insanely good job with this too. So really excited for that. Also, it's already 12 o'clock, so let me keep moving. So sorry, don't want to keep you all for too long. Governance Guild. Season 2 is now complete. Okay. In this DAO, we go by different seasons. We started this DAO in October or early November of 2021. And since then, we've completed season 0, 1, and 2. If you want to check out the season progress, you can always go to the roadmap channel and you'll see each season under development. A green check mark means we did it. A blue one means we're still doing it, and a red X means we didn't do it. Right? It's important to be aware of the things we didn't do. Right? It's always okay. Thanks, Kelcoin, for linking it. And yeah, so now we're in season 3. So Drizzle was developed, Gift was developed. We're developing toucans. We're adding challenges to float. Right? All the things we talked about today are in this, so you can definitely check that out if you want. It's in the roadmap channel. Transaction script utility eyeball. Yeah, so that's not really like a consumer product. It's mostly like a developer utility to allow people to run transactions on mainnet and testnet without having to like set it up in their own environment. But that is going to be cool. Guild leaders. So of course, totally forgot to change this.
Lol.
All right. What was BAM? Boom? Shitcoin. All right. So here are your guild leaders for season. Oh wait. Here are your guild leaders for season 3. If you ever have any questions about the DAO, and you want to ask away, you can totally reach out to any of these people. They will they will always be there to help you along your journey. So yeah, always don't be afraid to reach out to these people. Emerald Pass. Oh, sorry, I realized. Okay. Shitcoin. Emerald Pass. Okay. Quickly, so Emerald Pass is under development. We're still figuring this out, okay? But I just wanted to be transparent about what our thoughts are around this. So, as you all know, Emerald City is completely free right now. Everything is free. All our products are free, and we want it to remain that way, right? To the regular user who just wants to use it for the base features, right? Emerald Pass is a subscription you can buy to get special access to tons of different things across Emerald City, right? So the way that we view it is because all these different products are all under like the Emerald City umbrella, we wanted a way to interconnect them all and make it so that you can get one thing and have access to premium features on all of them, right? So one example is premium features on Float, like a verified creator checkmark, allowing others to mint for you, right? That's a premium feature, paid float, stuff like that. Using Emerald Bot, right? If you're a community manager, having automatic role removal is a big plus, right? So you can gate communities and make sure people aren't selling them, right? Or custom verifiers that we set up for you. On Touchstone, having like an admin dashboard, right, with a unique URL. So it's at the bottom, bent on Rakaja. So an admin dashboard, unique URL, like a unique sales page. Or for example, with Emerald Academy, Advanced Academy resources. Again, this is all just like sort of in thought. And what it would be is, right, like for example, 1,000 FUSD a year or 100 FUSD a month, right? So we are definitely, again, this is in the works, but this is what our thought is around this. And we're also developing a Emerald Lifetime Pass Costco membership. That's what I'm saying. Love the game. I love that. Anyways, yeah, just wanted to throw this out there, be transparent about this. And if you have any thoughts about this at all, please reach out to the guild leaders, right? If you have ideas for this, if have a different model in mind, right? We would love to hear back from you. So please, like, ask us about this, right? We would love to hear your feedback. And like we're designing like a 3D Emerald Pass model, a website to be able to easily handle your subscription, all that stuff. Okay. Awesome. Yeah, please reach out, Boaz. Okay. Lastly, is this the last one? Yeah. Oh no. Okay. Emerald Wars. Our next Emerald Wars will be a League of Legends battle. Does anyone here play League of Legends and wants to play? I play League of Legends, and I mean, to be fully honest, I think I would kick anyone's butt here. But we're gonna have a League of Legends battle for fun. All right, so please, I'll pick that up for you. Great, boom, thanks a lot. That's called the guild leader right there. And next one, this is the last one, is we have an AMA with Matrix World tonight. So even though you kind of all got an idea of Emerald City already today, we've an AMA with Matrix World tonight. We're gonna be talking more about Touchstone. So be there or be square, idiots. And yeah, that's about it. Link to the AMA. I don't have that yet, but it's in the Matrix World Twitter. Actually, yeah, it's the Matrix World Twitter, whatever that is. That's it. Sorry, I know we went overboard. Hopefully you were able to get an understanding of everything we're doing. You're so welcome, Andre. Thanks, everybody. Thanks so much. Oh, there you go. Look at Kelcoin. So inspirational. So inspirational. Shitcoin. Glad I missed church. Thanks everyone for coming. It was super confusing. You might face consequences. Oh, my question, is there a general marketplace for all these mints and apps? Oh, you mean for Touchstone? Like, is there a... Oh, or are you asking, like, is there a general, like, flow marketplace? Like, is there, like, a main one, are you asking? Permissionless deployment. So one example is, so Touchstone, right? So Touchstone is all primary sales. We're going to allow you to, on .find v2, hopefully will allow you to easily sell on there, right? So we're going to talk to BRTech about that. And also Matrix Market will be another secondary marketplace. So I would say Find V2 and Matrix Market are the primary areas where you'll be able to sell. Yeah. But again, like on Touchstone, you'll be able to have primary sales. All right. If anyone else has any questions, I'm going to stick around for like 2 more minutes or so. Any questions? Any questions? What are you having for breakfast? That's a great question. I don't know. I might go get myself a bacon, egg, and cheese. Are you going to church, Jack? No, I'm not going to church unless church means playing League, or sitting on my couch and watching TikTok. Then probably. Yeah, League is a religion, honestly, at this point. The church, yeah, I'm going to the Emerald City Church. True. Huge emerald arcs. Plus, I hope the kitchen revamp is going all right.
They just finished it last week.
They did.
I just got my counters back in.
Oh, nice, nice progress.
Yes. So now I can actually like eat real food and focus again.
Oh, that's great. No, that's really good to hear.
So yeah. But now that work is slowing down, because nothing like opening 3 LLCs in 2 months instead of 6. But
yeah, you're always everywhere. I love that about you.
But anyways, I gotta go deal with the kids. It was great seeing you guys. I'll chat with you later.
Bye, boss. Bye. All right, everyone. I think that wraps up the town hall. So again, thanks for coming. If you love these town halls, please come back in 2 weeks. Love to see you then. And hopefully, Touchstone will be out. All right. So thanks, everyone. Again, thanks to Lanford for Drizzle. Thanks to BT Wood for the float challenges, and thanks to everyone else in the community that helps to run this community, including all our academy instructors. I see Ricardo is here at some point. Snowmobiles, right? Thank your instructors for all their education stuff. Yeah, it's so awesome. All right, bye everybody. Bye.
Thanks, Jack. Bye, Jack.
Thanks, Andre. Bye. Thanks everybody. Thanks,
Bye,
Shitcoin,
everyone.
for linking everything. Bye.